What's up, YouTube? We're back in this thing with another shop video. And actually, it's the same day. I fixed my truck, but I got another truck I gotta fix. So I got a truck I gotta fix. This happened. It's a Jeep Grand Cherokee, and this happened on all these Jeeps. And if you already work on these Jeeps, you already know what I'm talking about. So yeah, y'all like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let me show y'all what we got. Alright, so y'all know we got a Jeep here, man. But it's a Grand Cherokee. Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. It's 2013. So I done already took some of the stuff off. Air box, intake, the lid, throttle body, air filter, and hose right here. I already took that off. So this is what we're looking at. So I got to take the intake itself off of here. I done got all the screws out. You can see they already loose. I took the screws out this bracket right here already, right here, and then right there. You got one back there I took out. And I don't, on this one I don't loosen these up, but I'll show you what I do. And then got this bracket right here. So I took the screws out of this bracket right here. There's one screw right here, and then there's one back there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's one back there, 10 millimeter. So I got a 12 millimeter down here. So I'm gonna pop this cluster of wires off down there, and then I'm about to take the 12 millimeter out, and that's gonna take this bracket all the way off. And so then what happens is I don't have to loosen the bottom of those up over there, because one of them is with the heater hose, and that shit hard. So all I gotta do, like I said, pull this up right here, and then lift it up and bring it this way, and it comes out. So that's what we're doing. We changing, well, the oil filter housing is leaking, but its oil pressure sensor is bad. So I got a new pressure sensor, I got new intake gaskets, and I got new gasket for this. I usually replace the oil filter housing, but I'm not gonna do it on this one. I'm just gonna replace the gaskets because he came in for the sensors, and I just see the leak down in there. So I ain't gonna really just add too much more to him on labor with this part, because this part is high. Like, this thing costs like $400 to me. So that shit high. So, you know, I gotta charge the customer down there. No, it costs like $300 to me. I gotta charge the customers, you know, $500–600, and then this here is like 3.5–4 hours in labor. So I'm about to go ahead and pop these wires off. They got a clip holding it in the back. I ain't gonna be able to get it back there so you can see it, but it's a clip holding it back there on that thing, on the bracket. So I'm gonna pop that clip off, and then I'm gonna loosen up the 12 millimeter, take it out, and then that way the bracket can come out the way, and then I can lift this up, pull this out, and then I can take the lower intake off too. So that's what we're about to do. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a second. All right, so I went ahead and well, I pushed these back a little bit. This one pushed that back, and you see it popped out, and so I gotta pick it up and lift it out this way. Pick it up and lift it to the right. So this base don't come out. I just gotta get all these bolts up like this so they won't be catching in the hose. And that other one, the main one right there, I gotta get that one up out of there. So once I pop it up, I get it up, then I'll be able to just still in there. Even this one right here. So let me get these screws up like this, and that one, then I'm gonna cut y'all back on. I'll be taking this thing up out of there. Alright, so I got it out. Just took that hose off right here at the back. Just had to take that off and lift it up just like that. But the screws, I like to keep them in so they can get them up. Alright, so we got that off. So now we got to take the lower intake out. So we got to get to this. Oil pressure sensors in the back underneath here. And so I got to get to that. oil pressure sensors in the back under there. So I gotta get to that. I gotta disconnect the fuel line right here and just pop this blue clip off and then press this button in and it slides off. I always disconnect the ignition coils and the injectors. I unplug them on both sides. That way I can lift this whole intake off and put it to the side. So that's what I'm about to do now. It's like unplug these. Some of these shits be stubborn as shit. I'm trying to do it with the wrong hand too, so. Alright, got them off. So now I gotta release these clips on the and get these, unplug these off. Hold on right quick, y'all. I got all the thing hooked up now. I'm disconnecting, now unscrewing these things right here. Look at that, right? Turn my gun up a little bit. They tight. Turn my gun up. Millimeter here or a torque, whatever y'all want to use. I use the 8, easy to get to. Got one more in the back. Huh? I don't know. Sound like he's. So got them ones we can get right there. We just about to. I got one right there. I gotta get right there, and then I got one in the back there by the gas line to take that off. But I done hooked the injectors and the coils on both sides. So we gotta do. So I'm about to take them off and then get that off. All right, get all the screws out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. Then 1, 2, 3 on this side. So, lift it up. Oh, ay. Damn clip in the back. Let me undo that clip right quick, y'all. Hold on. All right, I got it loose in the back. I feel like something else is connected back there. Let's see what's going on. Let me see what's going on. Okay, that's connected. Oh, okay, so this is what we got right here. This, and it got doggone, another one over there. Let me disconnect that one too. I need both hands, y'all, to get back there. I'm over clothes on, ain't hot, cold. So I got it all. Had to clip them two clips back there. Yeah, air the tires up too. So I'm finna disconnect the fuel line here. I might just leave it right here because it's not in my way. So I might just leave it right here. And then I'm gonna we're gonna change the new gaskets right here. They flat. We're gonna put some new ones on there. And then gotta get down in here. Got 5 screws to take this off. And really I'm not gonna take it off. I'm just gonna lift it up. I got like 4 rings I need to put in the bottom. I'm gonna put them on, and then I'm gonna change. Well, I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna disconnect the coolant line right there. I'm gonna take it out because I gotta get that oil pressure sensor at the bottom out of there. So let me do that. These is Torx. We loosening up now. Okay, got 5. We'll leave them 2. Finna see something real quick, y'all. Let me unplug them sensors before I undo it all the way. Alright, so got that one out. I don't know, see if I can put my socket down there, y'all. And take that off while it's loose. Alright, I got that sensor out already. Take these last 2 screws out. And then I'm gonna try to see if I could do it without taking it all the way out. I got the towels and the hose just so no trash. Wiggle it, and it's up. And so one of them stayed down there. Well, 2 of them stayed down there. So this and these 1, 2, 3, and they got a big one at the back, and then these, that's what be leaking. So I can get to it just like that. I ain't gotta take nothing out. So I'm about to replace this one, that one right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this O-ring right here. That's what we're about to do. And then I'm gonna put it back, and I'm gonna put the sensor back in it, the new one. Replace the intake gaskets up and lower, and we're gonna button everything back up. We're gonna suck that oil out of there too, clean it up because it got oil leaking down in there. We're gonna get the machine and suck it out of there too while we here. So let me get my machine, I'll suck it out, and then I'm gonna replace them gaskets right quick. Alright, these are the gaskets right here that go in the holes, and then this is the O-ring. So I got a kit back here, which I got a whole new kit right here, but I'll show you real quick. So I got the rings, the gasket, and the O-ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and bingo. See that? Right there. That's gonna go there. That's gonna go there. Alright, so here go all my rings right here. That's all my gaskets and my O-ring. So I'm about to put that on the new, back on there, and then we're about to get that going. Alright, got the gaskets in there. Whoa. I'm just about to pop this down in there. That's it. Goes down in there like that. Start these screws, tighten this thing up, put the new sensor on there, replace the gaskets. other gun. With my ratchet, make sure it's tight. But now we're just gonna do it like this. Forgot about this. Turn my gun. Go good and tight. I'm gonna put a new sensor in there and now button this thing up. Alright, this is the old sensor, new sensor right there. So I'm about to pop the new sensor in, tighten it up, and then shit, yeah. Don't go from simple, man. That's simple shit. Got my sensor so I get 1"16". That thing on there, y'all. There we go. Gotta go crazy tightening these things, man. Housing plastic, so you don't want to go crazy. Plug this in right here. Plug it up right there.
She made Mike a little cup.
Alright, so
Just playing with it. I don't like this cup. What's wrong, buddy?
Clean it all up and put the new intake gaskets in. So I'm gonna clean this right quick, get that cleaned up real good, and then put new gaskets on here. Alright, so we got the old ones out. We got the new ones in, them orange ones. So I'm about to set it down on the heads. Then we're gonna change the ones on the side. After that. There you go. There we go. Set on down. There we go. Just like that. Swap these out. These still good though, they ain't bad. But them bottom ones was bad, but I'll change them out anyway.
whole lot different, man.
What that? Oh yeah, you know.
Feel different, man.
Yup. Most definitely. Wrench it in. Let me get this all tightened up. Cut y'all back on. Alright. Got it bolted down. Got the injectors hooked back up, coils hooked back up both sides. Alright, so we're about to put the whatchamacallit back on here and be done with that. Yeah. Nah, yeah, I wrote it down. Nah. Hand out of there, nigga. Got this all tightened up. I plug this shit up. Plug this up right here. Tighten this up over here. Put the thing. What'd you say?
Get him. Don't run.
Bam, put my screws over here. Tighten this up too. What'd you say, Vato?
Everything you're doing a pretty good job, buddy.
Alright, see?
Why not?
Asshole 1, asshole 2. Look out there, man. Well, it's crazy, bro.
How about that one right there?
Which one? That's real talk.
Yeah, real talk.
Real talk right there. Real talk. That's real talk. But yeah, we almost done, man. Butting this thing up. Money made, all good. Alright, pretty much I got it back together. So I got the air filter, tube, all that throttle body back on, got everything plugged up. Got this bolted back down, bolts in the back on that bracket. Got the bolts on this bracket right here. Washed it down from the oil that was left over, so we're just about to start it. Make sure everything. I don't know if I cleared this light out because he had an oil pressure light too, so about to clear that out too. Go from there. See if the light's still on. So let's clear that out right quick. And we'll be good to go. See you later. Alright, so let me see here. Get over here. Just got the little handheld. I got a big snap on, but I ain't using it to clear no light out. Just use this little shop interlink. Do that shit right quick. Okay, yeah, oil pressure, general pressure. Okay. Clear it out. Just gonna see if it's clear. I know I'm gonna have to turn it off and turn it back on. So erase went through. Turn it off. Turn it back on, make sure we good. Oh, yo.
Merry Christmas, man.
All right, man, take it easy.
Enjoy your family. Merry
All right, buddy. You have a good Christmas too. It's one of my good customers. There we go. Cut it off. Start it back up. There we go. Now it's gone away. They had to do it the right way. Now it's gone. So we're gonna just let this thing run. Make sure everything. Now I'm just gonna go over it and make sure all the fluid good. I washed it all down up in there. That's what when the oil leak all down up in there. Can't really see all down in there, but that's what while you see the water. Then wash it down, let that clean out. And we gonna go from there, man. So it's another one down today, Jeep. And y'all let me know if y'all like these videos. And when I'm working at the shop, working on cars, I just start recording and posting stuff because I always have my camera in my foot. So I'll start posting some of that if y'all like it. So just let me know. But in the meanwhile, man, y'all be good. Y'all like, share, subscribe. Peace.